Hi guys, it's your boy Liam. Let's play another Strike Fortress. Wait, did I just see? Wait, no, it can't be. No! Okay. No! Okay. I will use 15 minutes. Yeah. Wait. No, invasion attack, guys. Invasion attack. Hey, somebody did this. Hey, he's crazy. Guys.
How to spell YouTube? Y-O-U-T-U-B-E.
And helicopter. Or a chopper, I mean. He just left me helicopter on the shore. Weird, what a weirdo. Hey guys, so I need to spawn a chopper or something. Where's the chopper? Wait, I'm gonna be killed if I won't go on air or something. No way, guys. What is happening? Why are the helicopter not spawning? Oh my gosh, guys. Why is it not spawning? Something is weird. Something always does. Okay. Oh, the other choppers. I might have to